So in the test bay at the Newport CAF facility, we've got two 150-metre fall arrest lines. Each line can hold up to 4 persons, allowing for multiple train inspections at any given go. The installed system allows us to be flexible to meet those needs.
Normally we inspect these types of systems once a year. We've came back today to check all the fixings are still all secure, there's no kinks in the track, and all the inertia rails are running smoothly and free of any damage.
The system works very, very well for us. We did look at alternatives earlier on in the facility with scaffold towers and with mobile elevated work platforms. The flexibility of them just did not help us with our operations. Typically they're used towards the end of a unit to be made, and typically the end of a project the timescale is compressed significantly, so we need a quick, safe solution, and the Heightsafe system is that for us.
This is a fall arrestor. It's like an inertia rail. It kind of works like a seat belt. If you yank it, it'll lock. This is used for when they're doing any maintenance on the trains.
One of the beauties about the Heightsafe system is there's less to go wrong with it. So the CAF Newport facility has been here for 2 years, and I've lost count of the amount of times we've had a mobile elevated work platform fail on us, which has required an engineer to come out to visit it, whereas the Heightsafe system hasn't failed, and that helps us. That reliability, that dependability, particularly towards the end of the programme when time is not on your side, is something great to have in your back pocket.